they do a good job or a bad job? What, just like honest opinion?
Honest opinion,
Yeah.
Media this is going to be a real long drawn out answer, but media, I think what happens right now is there are so many different avenues to get your content, and there's a lot of different ways to get media in general. So I think there are great venues to get content on church and studies and Bible and all of those things. It just, especially now with the convergence online, you can get stuff sent to your BlackBerry, you can get, there's so many different ways, so I think there's a lot of great content that's out there.
Do you think the church is portrayed positively or negatively by
For the news media?
Mainstream media, yes.
You know what, I tend not to watch the news.
Okay, yeah. What do you think about, like, in movies, sitcoms, general comments that are...
If you said specifically, like, there are certain people that may or may not, it's just subjective at that point, but people that are into church-friendly things and people that aren't, that's just human nature, I guess. So, depending on what you're watching, you can get a variety of things, I guess.
Right.
That's kind of my, it sounds very general, but it's true.